Lab junction.
Digital conductivity TDS meter is a handheld device used to measure the total dissolved solids TDS and electrical conductivity A in a liquid, typically water. It's commonly used in water quality testing for applications like drinking water, aquariums, hydroponics, swimming pools, and wastewater treatment. Drinking water ensures water is safe and within acceptable TDS levels, typically below 500 ppm for potable water. Aquariums maintains suitable water conditions for aquatic life. Boiler water monitoring prevents scale formation and corrosion by checking mineral content. Surface water testing used in rivers, lakes, and groundwater studies to assess pollution or mineral levels. Wastewater treatment monitors TDS to ensure treated water meets environmental standards.